Hello students, today before I begin the class, I would like to give you all the syllabus because of pandemic some portions are reduced like last year. So I want to give you the reduced portion, reduced syllabus that has come from the SEBA board. So you can take down from history. History chapter 1, partition of Bengal and Swadeshi movement. From here 1.02 needed. Whatever needed, I am going to tell you. Needed portions are 1.02, 1.03, 1.04, 1.05 and 1.06. These subunits are needed from chapter 1. Contribution of Swadeshi movement, that is 1.07, that is not needed. And the first one, the background of partition of Bengal, that is 1.01, that also is not needed from chapter 1. Now come to chapter 2 of history, that is rise of Gandhi and the freedom movement of India. From here needed portions are 2.01, 2.02, 2.03, 2.04, 2.05, 2.06, 2.07, 2.08, 2.09, 2.010, 2.11, 2.12, 2.19. After 12, then 19, 2.19. Then 2.21 and 2.22. These are the portions, these are the subunits which are needed. Now, chapter 3, that is anti-British uprising and peasant revolt in Assam. From here 3.0, that is anti-British uprising in Assam. Then 3.1, revolt of 1857 in India and its impact on Assam. Then 3.2, rise of peasant revolt in Assam. Only this much. That means rise of peasant revolt in Assam, that is Fulaguri movement. That means till Fulaguri it is needed. Rest of the movement no need. Then from chapter 4, Indian freedom movement and national awakening in Assam. From here 4.00, 4.01, 4.02, then 4.07, after 2 then 7, then 4.08, 4.09 and 4.10, 4.10. So this much are needed from chapter 4. Then from chapter 5, cultural heritage of India and Northeast region. From here 5.08. So 5.08 till 15. From 8 to 15 everything is needed. Till from 5.01 till 5.07, these are not needed. Alright, so these are the reduced portion of history. Now we will see geography. Geography, you just mark in the content. Okay. So geography, that is chapter 1, economic geography. From here 1.1, that is definition and subject matter of economic geography. Then 1.3, meaning and importance of resource. Then 1.4, classification and use of resources, and 1.5, conservation of resources. These are needed. Only 1.2, that is scope of economic geography and its branches, this unit is not needed. Then environment and environmental problem. From here everything is needed. 2.0, 2.01, 2.02 and 2.03. All the subunits are needed. Then geography of the world, that is chapter 3. From here only first two are needed, 3.1 and 3.2. Brief introduction of the earth, and 3.2, distribution of continents and oceans. These two are needed. Then geography of Assam, chapter 4. From here 4.1, then 4.3 and 4.4. These three subunits are needed. 4.2, that is transport system, it is not needed. Alright, this is from geography. And from civics, chapter 1, from political science. Political science, that is chapter 1, Indian democracy. From Indian democracy 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, all are needed. Then from chapter 2, international organizations, the United Nations Organization and others. From here 2.1, that is the objectives of the United Nations and its organ. Then 2.2, the UNO and the world peace. And 2.4, other important international organizations. These portions are needed. 2.3, that is UNO and human rights, that is not needed. Then from economics, chapter 1 of economics, money and banking. From here 1.01, 1.02, these two are needed. Then one 1.04, 1.05, then 06, 07, 08, 09 and 010. These are needed. 11, 12, 13, 1.11, 1.12, 1.13. Origin of banking, classification of banks, non-banking financial institution. These are not needed. Then chapter 2 of economics, economic development. From here, from 2.01 till 2.010, all are needed. Only 2.11, that is not needed. Current 5 years plan of Assam, this is not needed. 2.1 till 2.10, everything is needed. Alright, So portions are very less, many things are reduced. Now the thing is that from history we have completed partition of Bengal, rise of Gandhi, anti-British uprising. Anti-British uprising, one or two questions I have to give you. Let me see. Till Phuloguri, Patharoghat, the North Kamrup, all these peasant movement, these are not needed. Now here short question also. Later on I will tell you which are the short questions are needed and within the portion, that I will let you know. And long question number 1 I have given already, then question number 2 is needed, question number 3 needed, question number 4 and question number 5. Long question till question number 5, these are needed. From 6, 7, 8, 9, these are not needed. That is from the peasant movement. So question number 1 already I have given you. So discuss the reason why the revolt of 1857 failed in Assam. That you will get in causes of the failure in page number 45. You will get. Page number 45. First of all, the number of rebels of Assam was very small. Maniram Devan supporters were confined to Jorhat and Sibsagar. So this whole point you will write. Second also, the leaders of the rebellion failed to understand the importance of time, and so even after completion of preparation for the revolt, they failed to begin in time. As a result, the British government gained a lot of valuable time for defense. Then third point, the chief organizer of the revolt, Maniam Devan, was far away from the scene of revolt. After this, to command the revolt from there, instead of there you write Calcutta. To command the revolt from Calcutta through letter was quite impractical. Maniram should have arrived in Assam at the earliest. Then fourth point, Maniram Devan and his associates never tried to involve all sections of society in the revolt. The new Assamese middle class people of Nagaon and Guwahati were not at all sympathetic towards the revolt. Then the next point, the rebels of Assam failed to maintain the secrecy of their activities. As a result, the British government came to know about their entire conspiracy and could successfully suppress the revolt. Sixth, the rebels of Assam had no access to arms and ammunition as was required. Though Maniram was supposed to bring arms and weapons, he was arrested before he could do so. Then last point, the Indian soldiers of the British Army posted in Assam did not form the backbone of the revolt in Assam. The rebels in Assam could not gain the support of these soldiers as in Meerut, Delhi and Lucknow. That is why the revolt of Assam or revolt of 1857 in Assam failed. Last line you write, that is why the revolt of 1857-58 in Assam failed. So this is answer number 3. Then the importance also. Page number 46, you will get the importance of the revolt of 1857 in Assam. So all these points you will write. Nothing to make short. This is already short. So though the revolt of 1857 was crushed by the British with an iron hand, this was for the first time in the history of Assam that Assam was associated with a historical Indian event. Point number 1. Second, the peasant revolt that began in 1861 in Assam got inspiration from the revolt of 1857. Then third point also you will write as it is. Revolt of 1857, fourth point. That means the whole thing as it is, you will write. And that will be the answer of number 4. And number 2 already I told you all to write. So in case you were not able, so I will give you in the next class. And then you will begin, I think, economics. We have done already political science, economics we have not yet started. So that is only the chapter left for half yearly. Alright. Okay, we will stop for today.